Welcome back. Thanks for joining me for this 5-minute ab workout. This is a very intense ab workout. We have 5 exercises. We're going to do them for 1 minute each, just back to back, so there's no rest in this one. It's pretty intense. This is great to pair with a lot of the other workouts in this series, so if you haven't checked those out, I'll leave a link to some of them in the description. Of course, press that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and let's get right into it. Our first exercise of the day is 6 inches. You're going to be lying on your back. Make sure that you keep your lower back in contact with the ground at all times, and just keep your feet about 6 inches off the ground. Keep your abs nice and tight to keep that lower back down. Nice and strong position here. Alright, we're finishing off 6 inches, and our next exercise is bicycle kicks. For this, you want to lead with your shoulder, not your elbow. So try to get your shoulder as close to your opposite knee as you can. You're doing great. We have 10 more seconds of bicycle kicks, and then third on the list is Russian twists. If you can, keep your feet off of the ground for this, but it's totally fine if you want to keep them planted on the ground as well. You want to do a small twisting motion from side to side. You don't have to bring your hands all the way down to the ground. Just twist far enough so that you're slightly off balance to get those obliques activated. Few more seconds of this, and then our next exercise is going to be a plank. You're going to be on your elbows for this, or if that's too difficult, you can definitely do it on your hands as well. And we're going to step out with both feet and then back in. Make sure that for this exercise, you keep your hips down. It's very common to raise your hips up because it'll make it a lot easier on your abs, but we don't want that. Also make sure that you keep your abs super tight so that your lower back doesn't sag toward the ground. You want a nice strong position here with your entire body in line. It's about halfway through, so we're going to switch sides, lead with the opposite leg. So if you started the motion with your right foot, you want to start it with your left this time. 2 steps out and then 2 steps back in. We're going to finish this exercise off and then go straight into a static plank. So just keep your feet close together and remember to keep your entire body in line, abs super tight, hips down, and this is the last minute. Nice strong position, let's finish strong. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these exercises you liked the best. Guys, you're almost finished. Keep it up. Awesome job, guys. You did great. I know that was a tough one, but it's so good for your abs, and all you really need is 5 minutes a day. So come back tomorrow and try this workout again. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload another video so you can get a fresh workout routine every week.